What's up, YouTube? It's Aaron with Siegfried's Motorworks here today, bringing you another episode of our unboxing videos. In the box today, we have these HardDrive American Vtwin products lower fork boots. We bought these for our Cafe Racer budget build we're in the middle of right now. I'll put a link to that video here. If you're staying up to date on the channel, you would have seen that last week we released the Poly Sport fork boots. They were about this long. Too tall for what we're doing, so we ended up ordering these HardDrive boots. These are the exact right size. Measure twice and buy once, instead of like I did where you measured once and now you bought twice. So at any rate, fit and finish of the packaging, it's what you expect. Again, these are urethane boots. They are flexible, they are bendable. You're not gonna break anything with these. The wrapping is solely just to keep them from getting dirty while they're sitting in a warehouse or while they're being in transit. HardDrive does include zip ties, so that way you can secure these to your bike. But overall fit and finish, I don't want to unpackage them from this here yet, just because that way they don't get dirty for me until we put them on the bike. But HardDrive makes a great product. I'm pretty confident these are going to be great on the bike. So at any rate, if you are in the market for fork boots for your Harley Davidson Vtwin or any road bike, HardDrive would be the way to go. You can purchase these off of hdtwin.com. If you're looking for pricing, send us a message, leave a comment, and we can hook you up on these as best we can. But at any rate, thank you so much for watching. Please like the video, leave a comment, let us know what you think of these fork boots, and subscribe so you can stay up to date with everything going on at Siegfried's Motorworks.